Hello and welcome to Good Directions. My name is Jeremy, and today I would like to share with you a little bit more about our copper bird bath, which also doubles as a copper bird feeder. So, lots of products in the marketplace. You're only able to see pictures. So, I thought it'd be cool to actually show you a video and what makes us a little bit different than other products that are out there. So, on the top is a pure copper basin, which is antimicrobial. What does this mean? It means it's safe for the birds. Inside is a beautiful etched pattern, and then along the perimeter are hand punched beads, which is great for birds when they're coming in to drink, feed, bathe, just something to latch onto. Underneath it is our folding stand, and what I like about this is easy to basically take anywhere around the house, in the yard, in the garden, opens up. And then on the top, there's rubber tips, which is great to actually hold the basin in place. You could put this on stone patios, pavers, walkways. And if you want to put it in the yard or the garden, you can actually push this down a little bit. So it'll be nice and firm on windy days, nothing to worry about. Last but not least, I'd like to show you a few accessories that are available for this copper piece. We have our St. Francis detail, unbelievable, made of cast aluminum, nice pewter finish. And then underneath it is a copper base. Simply just put it inside. Next, we also have a cast aluminum Buddha, great detail, hand rubbed pewter finish. And then underneath it, another copper base. This is one of the items you put outside, nothing to worry about. It's going to last a long time. Thanks for stopping in. Happy birding.